Get excited about the 2020 Ioniq Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.